subscribe to my channel, and also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.
First I have explained LAN. LAN stands for Local Area Network. A local area network, LAN, is a computer network that interconnects computers in a limited area such as a home, school, computer laboratory, or office building. That is a simple LAN. Virtual LAN or VLAN. A virtual local area network, virtual LAN, or VLAN, is a group of hosts with a common set of requirements that communicate as if they were attached to the same broadcast domain, regardless of their physical location. VLAN is provide a virtual LAN. You can show the two-switch LAN is convert in a one virtual LAN. VLAN stands for Virtual Local Area Network. A VLAN is an independent LAN. A VLAN allows LAN 1 and LAN 2 PCs to be separated although they share same infrastructure. VLANs can be named for easier identification. When do I need a VLAN? You have more than 200 devices on your LAN. You have a lot of broadcast traffic on your LAN. Groups of users need be on the same broadcast domain because they are running the same applications. An example would be a company that has VoIP phones. The users using the phone could be on a different VLAN, not with the regular users. Or, just to make a switch into multiple virtual switches. I have created this network in Cisco Packet Tracer. You can create two VLAN. First VLAN name is sales and second VLAN name is accounts. Open Cisco Packet Tracer. You can choose a one switch. Choose 2 PC for VLAN 2. And 4 PC for VLAN 3. Go to Connections and select Copper Straight Through Cable. Connect to all PC or laptops to switch. IP address is not required, but I have right for better. Go to Palette Dialog and select third option Rectangle. I have draw rectangle for separate to VLAN for locking better. Provide name to a 4 PC is accounts apartments. And 2 PC is sales departments. Click to switch and go to CLI. Press enter. Type enable and press enter. Type configure terminal and press enter. Provide host name SW1. Type VLAN 2 for create a VLAN and press enter. Next type to name sales. Type exit. Type VLAN 3. Provide VLAN name type name accounts. Type do show VLAN for watching VLAN. First VLAN is default VLAN. I have created a VLAN 2 or 3. All ports are in VLAN 1. Next step is to assign ports for VLAN 2 or 3. Type INT fast Ethernet 0/1 and press enter. Type switch port mode access. And type switch port access VLAN 2. Type exit for quit. Type INT fast Ethernet 0/2. For select second port. Type switch port mode access. And type switch port access VLAN 2. Type exit for quit. Type do show VLAN for watch VLAN configuration. You can show VLAN 2 is active in port 1 or 2 in sales VLAN. Type enter and exit. Type INT range fast Ethernet 0/3-6. Type switch port mode access. And next type switch port access VLAN 3. Type do show VLAN. And you can watch VLAN 3 accounts is active. Port 3, 4, 5 and 6 is under the VLAN 3. Type exit. Wait for few seconds, switches configuration changes. Thanks for watching. You can download this program PDF file in description.
Thanks for watching. You can show my previous and random video. Follow me on social media like a Twitter, Facebook and Insta. I have upload videos on ethical hacking, CCNA, Android, error fixing, Windows, networking, green screen etc.